got a secret you needed to tell me and stuff?
Yeah.
Cause you gonna make me get out this chair and beat your ass, my nigga,
Another
for real.
thing, Jerry, she beats the hell out of me.
Yes, I do.
Anytime I
Cause
try.
I don't be playing.
She
He better know I don't be playing.
Nope.
He think he a
never
rapper,
hand
my
on me.
nigga,
That's why
but
I
I
said
can
he like
rap
a
on
little
his
bitty ass
ass.
girl. Cause she ain't put her hands on me. She loved on me.
But I will. You keep talking about motherfucking mouth.
That's why y'all
You
do
keep
it. She
talking
was
your
a guy
mouth,
with a
and I
big
will.
booty on that.
But I will. But I will. But that's all right though. But that's all right.
That's why she look like Willie the Fool, nigga. You, nigga, that ow. That's who. Nigga, why you still whatever? Why you sitting over there? Talking your shit.
Let's bring
Tracy.
Tracy. Let's bring Tracy.
Yeah, but you better move that motherfucking chair over there, my nigga. For real.
Say, girl.
Hey, baby.
Hell, you looking great. That can't compliment your... Girl, just come on, sit down.
Really?
Turn around.
This is who you want?
Let me see.
Really?
All up in your face. How you like that, girl?
Really? She lucky she got that whatever that is. Bitch, I dare you ain't talking about me. I'll fuck your ass up. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Move, Jerry. Move, Jerry. Cause I wear a handicap, bitch. You better get him. Best teller, Bree. Best teller.
Let him make it.
Best teller, Bree. None of this bitch.
Okay, let's get to the point.
Just let him make it.
Let's get to the point now. Let's get to the point. Now,
Bitch can't even sit on her whole ass. Shit.
You know you like this. I know you like
Bitch,
bitches.
please.
Girl, don't let
Never. I'd rather fuck back with her than you, boo.
Hey, you better just back off from me because it's my baby right here.
Really? But he wasn't saying that shit last night, though. Did he
Shit, he
tell
went
you?
with you, bitch.
He didn't tell you.
She very
He didn't
like
tell you.
You already know. See, yeah, you get your ass go by the top, girl. Ain't nobody.
I bought this.
Can't be touching on my girl.
He took.
We provide.
You better back them up, Jerry.
Whatever.
See, let me tell you what happened.
Whatever. I said she gonna say that shit. That's what I thought. Sit your ass down, bitch.
Oh shit.
Now let me tell you what happened, Jerry.
It's getting serious. Go ahead, Bree. Go ahead and tell me,
See,
Bree.
one day I was at the mall
Uh-huh.
and she started beating the hell out of me. I had to go get a first
And I'll
aid kit.
beat your ass
I
again,
had to go get a
nigga.
first aid kit for my black eyes. And then when I was at North
Whatever.
Star, I looked around the corner. I just saw
Should've
that.
came out with a wig.
But did she tell you she was with somebody else? And you said her?
But it was like.
Did she tell you she was with somebody else? Her. Hello, the one you
better watch what words you use for me.
Did this bitch tell you she was fucking with somebody else?
Yeah, I got
Did she tell you she was with somebody else?
Okay.
Why you want that?
But you know what? Cause I got something for both of y'all asses.
But she be cooking dinner though. You always be getting that to-go stuff that no.
Hey, you know I can't
Look
stay
at
too
her.
long with that.
Look at her. Can't you see that she like to go out to
I'm
eat
just
all the
saying.
time?
I know you ain't talking bigger.
What?
Ooh.
But your man liked all this right here, though.
Whatever.
Look.
That's why he's over there, huh?
I know you ain't talking Jerry.
I know, Jerry.
I'm trying to get your bag. Both of y'all gonna get it.
All right, Jerry. Well, why don't you, you was trying to look at me too when we was in the back.
Look, this is not about me. This is not about me right now.
I got a secret of my own.
What?
Go ahead, come here.
Why? She spent no time about she was cheating with me. Oh, dude, I met this motherfucker 2 months ago, and I already knew she was fucking with him.
For real?
We had a one-nighter,
For
and
real?
he was talking about he wanted me, but I broke him off and was like,
Okay, she's
God,
right. She's right, but
So that's why you call him a little limp dick man.
Yeah, exactly, because he's a little nigga. He lives. It feels like a pussy. That's why I stopped fucking with him.
But then you talking about me saying that I'm not a lesbian?
Nigga, because you was straight tripping. You was tripping.
You was tripping. That
tripping.
make you like you with a girl.
No, nigga, because you tried. I know you're not talking. You and she was just
talking all that
years.
shit.
And that's okay though. That's okay.
Shit.
But you remember how you was talking about you wanted this and you wanted that? Guess what? I was getting the money to get everything you wanted from
That's
that nigga over
okay.
there. So
That's
like you went
okay.
in 3 years, nigga. I got
That's
more money from
okay.
you got for 3 years.
I don't
think
need
so?
this shit Jerry called me. I get this to the
damn, girl.
It's falling.